all the liners are now removed. The tool seemed to work fine. Now it's a matter of cleaning the block and checking oil ways. As you can see, she's pretty shitty throughout. So there's a lot of cleaning to do now to get this sorted out, to make sure the oil ways are not blocked up. But she's stripped down now. Clean up, check for any problems on the bottom lands on where the liner fits onto. Don't think there's going to be a problem. We've already got one liner back home. These three pulled just now. The liner pulling tool worked fine anyway, so I'm happy with that. So the cleaning continues.